Tailor Brands versus LegalZoom, which is better for starting an LLC? Thinking of launching your business and forming an LLC? You're probably deciding between Tailor Brands and LegalZoom, two popular platforms that promise to make starting your LLC quick and stress-free. But which one really delivers better value, easier setup, and more comprehensive support for new entrepreneurs? In this video, we'll compare them side by side, covering everything from pricing and feature to customer experience and legal compliance, so you can confidently choose the best platform to build your business on. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that I want to talk about is the basics. What are Tailor Brands and LegalZoom? Tailor Brands is an all-in-one platform for small business branding and LLC formation. It's designed for entrepreneurs who want to launch quickly, combining tools for legal setup, logo creation, domain registration, and even social media kits. Now, LegalZoom, on the other hand, is one of the most established online legal service providers. It focuses heavily on compliance, paperwork accuracy, and offers access to actual legal advice. In short, Tailor Brands is for quick, modern branding plus business launch in one. LegalZoom is trusted legal solution with deeper compliance support. From there, let's go ahead and talk about the pricing for both platforms. And so you want to go ahead and navigate through the pricing plans right here, because this can change depending on which country you are going to avail to. Basically, the Tailor Brands pricing, which is for the basic plan, which is LLC filing only, starts around $200 plus the state fees. For the essential plan, it will then cost you around more. That basically includes operating agreement, EIN compliance tools. Basically, you just have to contact their customer support in order to know the price for this plan. And lastly, you then have the elite plan, which will then cost you around $250 a year. Now, once again, this will go ahead and change depending on your country. Now with this one, you then have the website builder, logo maker, and social tools. We then have to go ahead and talk about the LegalZoom pricing. Now for the economy one, it will cost you $0, but you then have to pay for the state fees, upsells in the checkout. For the standard, it will cost you around $250 plus the state fees. It includes operating agreements. And lastly, you have the Express Gold, which will cost you around $300 plus state fees. It includes expedited filing and EIN. And so what to note? Tailor Brands includes branding and online website tools, and LegalZoom focuses more on thorough documentation and legal support. From there, we then have to talk about the features comparison. Basically, Tailor Brand offers LLC formation. Once again, they have logo and brand kit design, operating agreement for higher tiers, EIN application. They have AI-powered business name generator, and once again, a website builder and branded email. Now for LegalZoom, they offer LLC formation with legal accuracy. They offer registered agent service, which is optional add-on. They offer operating agreements, EIN filing, access to attorneys, which is going to be a paid additional, and lastly, annual report filing and compliance tools. Now as a verdict, Tailor Brands is better for visual branding and fast setups. LegalZoom excels in legal structure, guidance, and long-term compliance. From there, we then have our ease of use and setup. Tailor Brands has a modern, sleek dashboard that gives you through branding and LLC steps in a few clicks. It's ideal for users who want a no-fuss visual experience. Now, LegalZoom is more detailed and takes you through legal questions carefully to make sure nothing's missed. It's less flashy, but more thorough. If you're tech savvy and focused on speed, Tailor Brand is the easier tool to use. If you're looking for precision and thoroughness, you would then want to go for LegalZoom. Now, let's talk about the legal accuracy and compliance. This is where LegalZoom shine. It was built with legal professionals and prioritizes state-by-state compliance, operating agreement tailored to your state, annual report reminders, legal add-on like attorney consultation. Now, Tailor Brand provides core compliance tools but is better suited for simpler use cases or single-member LLCs. It's not as detailed in state-specific compliance or legal documentation. Now, for legal protection, especially in the multi-member LLC or regulated industries, LegalZoom is the safer bet. Now, let's talk about branding and digital tools. Tailor Brands is unmatched in this area. They have AI-powered logo maker, business card design, some brand kit, website builder, and domain and email setup. LegalZoom doesn't offer any kind of features like this. It's purely legal. So if you're starting a brand from scratch and want the entire launch kit, Tailor Brands is your way to go. We then have the customer support and resources. Now, LegalZoom offers phone support, extensive legal FAQs, and access to licensed attorneys, which is once again at an additional cost. Tailor Brands offers email support, chat-based help with no legal consultations, and tutorial and AI-guided onboarding. For legal support, LegalZoom wins. For branding and ease of launch, Tailor Brand is more intuitive. Now, let's go ahead and talk about which platform is best for and who should use which. You want to choose Tailor Brands if you're launching a side hustle, creative brand, or e-commerce store. If you need a branding tools like logo, website, and domain. If you're a solopreneur and want speed over complexity. And then you want to choose LegalZoom if you want a bulletproof legal setup. If you want to, or you may hire employees or bring on partners. And if you want peace of mind on compliance and support from lawyers. Now, as an extra tip, you always want to check your state's LLC filing fees because they vary a lot. If you want full legal protection, consider hiring a registered agent. Both platform offers it. And if you're planning to scale fast, start with LegalZoom for structure, then build branding separately. And so, to wrap things up, if you're building a business with strong visual identity and just need quick LLC formation, Tailor Brands will get you launched fast and make your brand shine. If you want a long-term legal peace of mind and you're okay with slightly higher learning curve, LegalZoom will set your foundation right from day one. So what's your priority? You want branding or bulletproof legal structure? So that's our topic for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss tools, reviews, and guides to help you entrepreneurs like you succeed smarter. I'll catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching.